Welcome back, guys. This is question 5.48 and the statement of it is every hour 10,000 cans of soda are filled by a machine, among which 300 underfilled cans are produced. Okay, so these are the total number of cans among which 300 underfilled cans are produced. Each hour a sample of 30 cans is randomly selected and the number of ounces of soda per can is checked. Denote by X the number of cans selected that are underfilled. We have to find the probability that at least one underfilled can will be among those sampled. Okay, so first of all, let me write the given data here. In given data, the total number of cans here are 10,000. Okay, and 30 are underfilled. Let me represent them with U, and these are 300. Sorry, 300 are underfilled. So now in order to find here the probability of the underfilled, because n here is very huge, so therefore in order to find the probability of the underfilled, we have to write the total number of underfilled dividing it over 10,000. Okay, so it will be what? It will be 0.03. Okay, now each are a sample of 30 candidates randomly selected, so therefore n is what? N is 30, and we have here X, the number of cans selected that are underfilled. Okay, these are the underfilled cans. So so what do we have to find out here? Let me write here the required data. So we want to find out the probability that X is greater or equal to 1. We have to find it out. Okay, so in order to find it out, we can also write it this P of X greater or equal to 1. This is also equal to 1 minus probability that X is less than 1. Okay, so less than 1 is what? This less than 1 is basically equal to 0. Okay, so we have to find it out. So okay, so this is the required thing we have to find here in this question. Okay, so now solving it, we can very clearly see that it is the binomial probability problem, where the probability is given, the number of items selected are given. Okay, and the items which has to be selected are also given, which is here as well. Okay, so we have to find here the probability that X is greater or equal to 1. This is 1 minus probability of X equal to 0. So this can be written as n choose 0. Okay, and then probability raised to power 0, 1 minus p raised to power n minus 0. Okay, let me write these values. So it would be 1 minus n choose 0 is n is 30, n choose 0, p is 0.03. Okay, and this is 1 minus 0.03, n minus 0 is 30. Okay, let me write it out. It would be 1 minus, this is what? Let me simplify them. This is equal to 1, this is also equal to 1. Okay, and this remaining term will be what? It would be 0.97 raised to the power 30. Okay, now calculating it and then writing the answer of it would be 0.599, and that is what? That is basically the solution of question 5.48, which is related to the binomial approximation. Okay, we have approximated the hypergeometric probability to the binomial approximated probability. So that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.